Dang. This one. Just got that little rubber here.
Where can I take it? I'm getting everything changed with my new computer. New layout. Let's see, let's do it on my bed. Oh, wow, got bubble tape blocked.
Bubble tape! It's 6 feet of bubble gum for you, not them.
Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Did I say bubble tape?
I can't stand bubble tape!
There we go. Oh, these are rubber. Oh, wow. I like this. See, there's your connection. It's got a metal plate. Well, this doesn't have the mounting screws. It just slips in there. No, once the library opens, I might get a measurement of this and 3D print one. We'll see. Here's your top display, which is dot matrix, and then with your LED display you saw in the movie. You know, flashing EO3 or whatever it was. I actually got the better quality one, or better shaped one, because the one that was pictured, this part was yellowed. It has a, I guess I could take off my mask. Sorry about that. It has a voice too. Kind of like your generic speak and spell type voice. Or like the Chrysler cars. Because I saw it on 2020 once and it said, burglary, area A, and area A, burglary, entry, door. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We'll add a little more later. Okay, we're gonna look a little closer here. Back home, mom and dad that is. Probably moving back here next week. See, there's a speaker. And then there's your connection. And dip switches. And the actual speaker itself there. Yeah, I saw that the screws are there. But I'm not sure what type they are. Can't really tell. Look, maybe like really small Phillips head. Can't really tell. Yeah, there's your WesTec logo. Like I said, this is the dot matrix display. And evidently this can be an intercom too, because of the talk and listen. Scroll up, scroll down, select quit. On, interior A, interior B, power, chime, instant, option A and option B. There's these. I feel like the buttons on a Yamaha keyboard, or even just, yeah, an old Yamaha keyboard of the day. Kind of look like them too. Yeah, there's fire, medical, emergency. There's that display again, like I said. Up here is really nothing, what I can see. That's where the speaker is. It's pretty cool. You kind of see some paint there. I cleaned it off, by the way. Yeah, this is pretty big. I mean, you can see how big it is compared to my MacBook. But still, I like it a lot. And even if I don't make it back for it, you know, I can still use it. Or not use it, obviously, because I'd have to have one of their systems and wires and everything. But still, it's fun to have. So these are available in 2 versions. The D5000, which is just this part here. So in other words, it doesn't have this intercom and this DMD. And then this one, this is the 5100, which of course does. And that's the one you saw in the movie, of course. And I've been reading the manual. So if you wanted to arm it in stay mode or home, enter your code, enter, home, and enter. And that would show 3 like equal signs. So you'd see I just armed it this away, but whichever. Then all these would come on. Now, here's the part of the movie.
Hey, Dale, why don't you shut that off? I had a cellmate who installed these systems. With this arm, you can't shut it off without the combination, okay? Okay.
Now, if he knew the code to disarm it, you go. Which disarms the system. Now, here's one of the goofs, if you will. You remember the display said E90 when they tripped it. Well, that's actually for emergency. It would have said A90 or A whichever zone was tripped if it was the burglary. Also, near the end, there's this scene.
What's going on here, folks?
$110 a month we pay for your service, and I'm the first to arrive on the scene. What is your badge number?
And I know this is written for, family and comedic and stuff, but